what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people, my people. Today now about Regina Daniels. Regina Daniels, they celebrate her birthday. Oh, happy birthday, my beautiful Regina Daniels. We finally know her age. We finally know her real age for this her birthday. Now Regina, they celebrate 20 years birthday. My ogbonge people, this one are the real age. 20 years birthday. I know say ever since people just they do person up and down. You know, go even know the one will be the real age. You know, so some will say they 22, some will say they 25, some will say they 19, some will say now small girl na in the marry. They get too small. This that you know. And I know say when your mama come at that time. If you don't forget me, I never forget. When the mama come and say, I don't understand now. This girl what they call small girl so. Not be small pikin oh. She they do things like old woman. He say our sense na old woman sense. Not be small pikin no. When I feel they look am like small pikin, but she not be small pikin. So now we can't know her real age. Now 20 years. Now she dey my ogbonge people. 20 years old. More than not go they give Regina. Yes, will not be her. Oh no. I'm not say all of us fair no say na small girl. Na he marry. When I understand, everybody fair no. Say na small girl na he need marriage. When I understand. So anyway, we say we go do. Either let them marry and we don't marry her. And her birthday, Mona help me. Wish her happy birthday. Not be only Regina do this, Regina do that. We go the year. Oh. This one and a birthday. Oh. Mona write happy birthday for her. You know, easy for we to reach the day where they born us. We want to celebrate our birthday. You know, easy, my darling people. When I know that some people they will be say, before their birthday, they don't me, but God keep us alive. May we still celebrate our own. So, wanna help me celebrate Regina. Happy birthday, 20 years birthday. 20 years birthday, now she dey do. So 20 years birthday, my darling people. Wanna help me celebrate her. You know, easy to celebrate your birthday. So now real age be this one. 20 years birthday, my darling. Happy birthday once again. Happy birthday, my darling. Happy birthday. Thank you, my bonga people. The video not go long, it go short so that Mona help me wash and finish. So thank you, everybody. Take care. Till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, but are you waiting for my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bye.